Brand new, bigger, better appliance direct in Kissimmee, Highway 192 and Simpson Road, 1,600 feet west of a Florida Turnpike. Appliance direct, straight from the factory. Brand new Whirlpool side-by-side, $997. With water and ice indoor, $997 for you today. $997, brand new full factory warranty? Yes. $997, brand new in the box? Yes. Straight from Whirlpool factory? Yes. Porcelain tub washer, brand new full factory warranty? Yes. Brand new in the box? Yes. Straight from Whirlpool factory? Yes. Appliance direct. If you didn't buy direct,
you paid too much.
Thank you.